सेटिंग्स कैसी रही वहाँ पे?
So in the senior national, we are expecting a total of around 600, but still it was good. And in squad, we were doing like we started with 230, but like in the first lift, it was like a problem with the seating. So second lift we did it, and in the third lift it was 240, but it was like a little issue with the racking and unracking, and then it was that lift also failed. In the bench, we were supposed to start with the 170 kg, but while warm up, we felt like we should reduce the weight to 155 and started with 155. Then with the first attempt with 155, second attempt with 165, then the third was for the national record, that is around 172, and all the lift was passed, and so bench was very good, pretty good. Expecting, and in the dad it was like started with 165, and second attempt was 180. Then we did it for the champion load, that is 190, but unfortunately it slipped out of the hand. We came with a bronze medal. I'm happy for that.
Full details कि क्या क्या हुआ वार्म अप से लेके एंडिंग तक, we are going to discuss this thing on the YouTube channel. Go and watch it there.